when we chant mantras in Sandhya Vandanam, we chant ablinga mantras like Abohishta Mayoboha, that is related to the water. When we chant mantra and sprinkle water in our body, the water, the mantra and the water will remove the dirt from the mind as well as from the body, and also it balances the water elements in the body. As we know, the body is consists of 5 elements: Prithvi, Appu, Vayu, Tejas, Akasha. We have to balance the 3 elements: water, air and fire, to keep the body and mind healthy and strong. Sandhya Vandanam actually is doing this. When we do pranayamam with mantra, Shastra says to do pranayama with mantra only. Without mantra, the pranayamam will not have much results. So when we hold the breath and chant mantra, the air inside will clean the body, and also it will clean the mind. And when we exhale, the negatives of the mind will be coming out along with the air. So the air element is also balanced by doing the pranayama in Sandhya Vandana. Then we pray to the sun god. In 3 times, in all the 3 times, we pray to the sun god. In the morning, we say special mantra, Mitrasya Jashrani Hidradaha. We pray as Mitra. In the afternoon, Pashyema Sharadashadam, Jeevema Sharadashadam, Nandama Sharadashadam, Modama Sharadashadam, Bhavama Sharadashadam. Like that, in the afternoon, we pray to the Suryan. And in the evening also, we pray as Namasavitre Jagadeka Jakshushe Jagat Prasudistidi Nashahedave Trayimaya Trigunatmadharini Virinji Narayana Shankaratmane. So in the evening also, we pray to the sun god. He is the Atman of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. So the sun god will help to balance the fire element in the body. So the Sandhya Vandana will help us to clean the minds, make it healthy and sound, and also it will help us to balance the 3 elements: fire, air and water in the body. Also, we can see that Rishis did Sandhya Vandanam for a long time and they had a Dirghayus. Rishayo Dirghasam Sandhitvad Dirghamayur Abhapniyuhu. Rishayo Dirgha Sandhitvad Dirghamayur Abhapniyuhu. So, Rishi did Sandhya Vandanam for a very long time and they had very long years of life. Also, they have Prajnam Yashascha Kirtimja. They have good Prajna, Yashas as well as Kirti and also Brahmavartas. So, Sandhya Vandanam will help us for attaining long years of life, very good sound minds, which is very much required for the decision making and all other activities, and a healthy body. When the three elements are balanced, air, water, and fire is balanced, most of the diseases through bacteria and virus will not affect. The body will get more resistance, and the diseases from outside will be resisted to enter the body. So one have to perform Sandhya Vandanam for all these benefits, as well as the Gayatri Upasana, that is the most important part, will help us to remove the papas from the mind and make the intellect more sharp. So in the coming days, I will try to explain the Sandhya Vandanam mantras, its procedures and meaning also to the maximum extent possible. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskara.